All right, this is how PoolTools will work. This is the interface, and this will be turned into an application pretty soon. But for now, like it's going to always be on real-time advice. Our whole team can update this section at any time. Here, this is talking about the California wildfires, etc. If you're interested in maintenance, if you have a cartridge filter, we have you covered. Right now we're adding how much. This is your dosing charts. But like I said, if you're trying to clean your cartridge, right here we'll give you videos on how to do that, all kinds of tips on that. Same with sand. You always have your discounts always ready. This means that this bucket down in here, this cart area, will always be updated weekly with just the items for the PoolTool subscribers. Coupons in here up to 25% off, and those change weekly and they are limited. First come, first serve. And let's see, ask members. Beautiful little community board. You'll be able to go in here and you'll have a list of filter problems, pump priming issues, you name it, and you all can help each other back and forth, as well as our team members here replying to some of your posts. If it's overwhelming, you need a service call, you'll be able to fill out this information, request service. You'll have priority service access because we'll be checking that, for our PoolTools members. And that's it. And of course, the week post is my training that I've, carefully put together with videos, commentary, etc. Those will be updated weekly. Anyways, I hope you like it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.